Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started. In the face of potential radiological emergencies, preparedness becomes paramount. While prescription medications are typically recommended for treating radiation sickness, there are several over-the-counter or OTC medications that may provide supportive care. So we're going to take a look at 10 OTC meds that could help fight radiation sickness and outline the reasons behind their inclusions in a well-prepared emergency kit. Iodine tablets. Iodine is crucial for preventing radioactive iodine absorption by the thyroid gland. Potassium iodide tablets can help saturate the thyroid with stable iodine, reducing the risk of thyroid cancer. These tablets are vital medication to have on hand during radiological emergencies. Aspirin. Aspirin, with its anti-inflammatory and antipyretic properties, can be useful in managing symptoms associated with radiation sickness, like fever and inflammation. Additionally, it may serve as a mild analgesic for alleviating pain. Antidiarrheal medications. Radiological exposure may cause gastrointestinal symptoms, including diarrhea. Over-the-counter antidiarrheal medications like loperamide can help manage these symptoms, preventing dehydration and improving overall well-being. Acetaminophen. Acetaminophen is suitable for reducing fever and relieving mild to moderate pain associated with radiation sickness. As it doesn't have the same anti-inflammatory effects as aspirin or NSAIDs, it may be a preferred choice for those with contraindications to other pain relievers. Antiemetics. Nausea and vomiting are common symptoms of radiation sickness. OTC antiemetic medications such as dimenhydrinate and meclizine can help alleviate these symptoms, ensuring better hydration and comfort for the affected individuals. Oral rehydration solutions. Dehydration is a concern during radiation sickness, especially if vomiting and diarrhea are present. OTC oral rehydration solutions containing electrolytes and glucose can aid in maintaining hydration levels and restoring vital nutrients. Antihistamines. OTC antihistamines like diphenhydramine can assist in managing allergic reactions, which might occur as a result of radiation exposure. These medications can help control itching and hives and other allergic symptoms. Cough suppressants. Irritation of the respiratory tract is a potential consequence of radiation exposure. OTC cough suppressants containing dextromethorphan can provide relief from persistent coughing, improving respiratory comfort. Pain-relieving topicals. For localized pain or skin irritation resulting from radiation exposure, OTC pain-relieving topicals like creams or ointments containing ingredients like menthol or lidocaine can offer relief. Multivitamins. Radiation exposure may lead to nutritional deficiencies. OTC multivitamins can supplement essential nutrients, supporting overall health and aiding in the recovery process. Medical care should always be your first choice in cases of radiation sickness. But in SHTF situations, where medical solutions aren't available, these OTC medications can help alleviate symptoms and possibly help those exposed to potentially recover. Well, I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me. You know I always want to hear from you, and I will always try to answer back. This video has been chosen specifically for you based on your viewer history. YouTube says this is the one that you would most be interested in watching, so if you do me a favor, go ahead and click on it and watch it. Thanks very much.